Aloo Paratha, stuffing ingredients mentioned on the screen. Mash it. Our stuffing is ready. Sprinkle some flour and roll out the dough. Stuff some potato stuffing. Seal it. Again coat some flour. Roll out the paratha. Do not add chopped chilies and use this technique to roll the paratha so it won't tear while rolling. Heat up the pan. Cook the paratha. Spread ghee. Cook from both sides. Spread ghee. Gently press with spatula and cook. Cook from both sides. Once done, remove it. Spread ghee. Cook from both sides. Once done, remove it. Repeat the same procedure for all. All the parathas are puffed up beautifully. Gently press with spatula and cook. Remove it. Put some butter on top. Serve with pickle and raita. Our aloo parathas are ready to enjoy. Do try this delicious aloo paratha recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.